Welcome to E-Town News. We have with us Avriti Chaudhary, who is Liva Miss Diva Supranational 2020. Avriti, welcome to Zoom. Great to have you. So Avriti will be representing India at Miss Supranational 2020. Avriti, कितनी excited है? Firstly, I want to ask you, what was your reaction जब आपने आपका नाम सुना stage पे? You know that crowning moment जो होता है, आपने आपका नाम सुना, you will be representing India. तो क्या reaction था?
मैं बहुत खुश थी. It was instantly, it was like, yes, I did it. And I'll tell you what happened was, I went there, my crowning happened, and I got so into the moment. I was supposed to wait there for the gratification, and I went ahead and I started waving and everything, and I came back to my position and everybody was, Avriti, go back, go back. It was very sweet, but it just showed that I was so happy at that time that finally it happened, the thing that I was dreaming for since a long time. It felt really great.
तो कैसा था journey आपका पूरा?
My journey has been really incredible. So क्या होता है ना, जब हम यहाँ आते हैं तो एक misconception रहता है that it's going to be very tough competition, but actually it was a very healthy and friendly competition. I've made such good friends here, who has helped me learn a lot. Because when I came here, I had some little knowledge about this, little knowledge about that. But when you come here, they're like, no, sweetie, इसको थोड़ा ऐसे करो, इसको थोड़ा ऐसे करो. So you don't realize, but day by day you are getting better in every aspect. And I guess that is what is important, कि हमें रेस अकेले नहीं जीतनी है, सबको साथ में लेके चलना है. So yeah.
और अभी मिस सुप्रा नेशनल में भी आप जाएंगी. डज इट फील लाइक अ ह्यूज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि आप इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करने वाली है? लाइक क्या कुछ प्रेशर है आप पे ऐसा?
I wouldn't say exactly pressure, but obviously this crown is a responsibility, because a lot of girls are going to look up to me. The way I hold myself, I use this platform to positively impact other people. So obviously with this crown comes a huge responsibility.
And how do you plan to go about it? Like, do you have a plan in mind? Do you have a strategy in mind? How are you going to prepare for the international pageant?
So I guess international platform पे जाने से competition और tough हो ही जाएगा. तो जितने भी aspects हैं सब पे काम करना तो ज़रूरी है, but I am majorly focusing that मैं अपने stress को कैसे अच्छे से handle कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि stress में perform करना हर किसी के लिए easy नहीं है. Performance पे direct effect पड़ता है. तो वहाँ जाके भी कितना भी competition हो, पर मुझे ये पता होना चाहिए कि मैं कर सकती हूँ, और उसके लिए काफ़ी practice लगती है to work under pressure. So that is what my goal is going to be.
And what message do you have for all the fellow contestants who you will be meeting at Miss Supranational?
Okay. Hi, the Supra Sisters. I'm really excited to come there and talk to you, experience your culture, and I hope by the end of the pageant, I have friends all over the world.
And do you have, like, what are your plans? Like, do you have any particular area that you want to address, at Miss Supranational? Any social cause, any issue that you want to talk about on the international pageant?
So the social cause that I have been vocal about is mental health awareness. That is, everybody is going through something or the other. Mainly that I feel that people are struggling with low self-esteem, insecurities, and accepting themselves on a daily basis, because this is what I have been through. And I also realized that the proper age bracket, the students basically, college students and school students go through this a lot, and I don't find them dealing with their mental health issues in a very healthy way. So I want to share my story, that whatever I have faced, I have come here, I have pushed my boundaries, and I have achieved my dreams, and you can do that too. Don't let all these hold you back, and embrace your true personality and live up to your full potential.
Any message for the fans and for the people who have been supporting you and supporting you henceforth?
I want to thank all of you. It means a lot that you have followed my journey, invested so much time, and I'm really grateful for all the love and support that you've given me. And please continue showering your love on us and following us. It means a lot. Thank you.
Watch E-Town News Monday to Friday at 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom.